Yeah, good evening. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Saturday, the 23rd of December, 2023. Just my weekly analysis video where we have a look at all the pairs or the Forex pairs I'm trading on the daily time frame using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. So this is probably the last video for the year. There won't be one next week. There's not much happening. Merry Christmas to all those people that celebrate Christmas. Happy holidays to people that celebrate other religious holidays during this period. And if you don't celebrate at all, just enjoy the festive season. The markets will be super quiet, super closed during the week, so we'll see that. So first up, we will have a look at the news for the week ahead. This video is going to be pretty quick. I'm in a world of pain at the moment. My lower back's hurt, and the worst place to sit is sit. So if you hear me grimacing, you'll feel it. All right, free Forex economic calendar. This is for next week. Obviously, Monday's Christmas Day. Most of the Western world, as we know it, is closed for business. So you can see all the public holidays there. Tuesday is a Boxing Day, public holiday in a lot of countries also. Then, as you can see, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, no news events at all, which will take us through the new year. So there won't be a video next week. I'll probably do a couple of may do a couple of daily updates during the week if there's anything to report, but no, it's all pretty quiet. All right, let's get on the charts. I use TradingView when it comes up. This is just my watch list on the right. It's not all 28 pairs, just a sample set of sample amount of pairs. I'm not a trade signal provider or anything like that. So it's in alphabetical order. On the you'll see I'm highlighting various colours. Light blue means there's trade or trades on. Dark blue means and some action's been taken. Dark blue, trade on, no action taken. Yeah, so highlighting dark blue means trade on, no action taken. Orange, trade on, and there's something I want to talk about in this video. No highlight, no trade on. So we'll just go through this quickly. You'll see on the right of the chart, it's normally got the pair, the date, the signal, my thoughts on the trade, any trade management I've done. The chart's marked up, blue for buys normally and red for sells, which brings me to my next point. I forgot about this Word document. Just have a quick read of this, pause the video and have a read of that. Just tells you all the different colors, all the different settings on the charts. The main indicator is that bottom one, the MACD Platinum, which is down the bottom. Like I said, I'm going to rush through this video. It's some pain here. So we're in a buy on the Aussie USD from 14th of December. All I've done is closed half and moved my stop up. So I closed half on the 20th, which I think might be on the open of this candle. MACD Platinum is through the zero level. We're coming into the quiet weeks, just past the previous high. So I've just played it safe, just locking profit in and put myself in a no lose position. CAD Swiss in, right, still on a sell from back here, 29th of September. Moved the stop right down. We can't lose on that, so it's up from there. Now remember, I call all these trades live at the time or pretty close to the time. The new daily candle for me is at 5 a.m. local. I get out of bed about 6:30 a.m. and not much happens in that first hour and a half. Any trades I do call, I post a screenshot in the JAGfx social media groups, which is a Facebook group, Telegram channels, etc., which everyone's more than welcome to join. So we're in a sell here. We can't lose on that one. I took a buy here on the 27th of November, and it's just basically gone sideways the whole time during that period. The stop for that's down here. Now we've got this support level forming. Now there was another sell signal on Friday, yesterday, which I took. And I did get the question, why didn't I close the buy? A couple of reasons. Main reason is this buy was taken on regular bullish divergence here, and it hasn't really played out as such. Price did go to the MAs, so you probably make an argument that it might have been time to tighten things up, the MACD Platinum through the zero level. But no, I decided to leave it there, and plus we're in the quiet period, Christmas period, so that's another reason I'm leaving it on. And this now it looks like a pretty good support level for price, and my stop loss is below it. Now, if it does get stopped out, I've got, if price just keeps on dropping down nicely and stops out my buy, so be it. I've got 2 sell trades on still, so I can't lose that way. And if it goes up and I stop out on the sell trades, because both these sell trades got the same stop level at this level here. So if the price does bounce up, I'll profit on the buy, and I'll lose on one sell, but I'll have a good profit on the other sell. So that's the reason. That's the CAD Swiss, Euro Aussie. Still on the sell from the 22nd of November. I did have a go at a buy here, which has failed. I'm just looking to trail this stop down if I can. See how far it goes. You might hear some background noise. Some dogs are barking. A motorbike just started up. But Euro Aussie, we're in a sell. Can't lose on the sell, so it's all good. Euro CAD in a buy, and it's just gone against me basically from 2 days later, but it's now in sort of no man's land during this quiet period. Stop here, entries up there. MACD still well below the 0 level. No. Euro pound highlighted in orange means I want to talk about it. A couple of things. I think the sell signal from the 22nd November was stopped out here, and that was on the 20th of December. Now, I just leave it on the chart for this video to show you guys where I stopped out. And the most recent trade was this buy on the 13th of December. And I closed half 21st of December. So that'd be on me. Oh, pardon me. Nothing worse when you got a sore back when you have a coughing or sneezing fit either. So closed half on the open of this candle here. Prices with the MAs. Good profit there, and the MACD platinum was through the 0 level, and the sell was stopped out. So I lost my protection on that sell. So the sell's finished, so we're in a buy. We can't lose on the buy. It's a euro pound. I'll tidy up that chart once the video's done. That's just the reason I leave it on there. Euro USD in a buy trade from, when's that? The 14th of December. This big level up here is the 1.100 level. It's just a big round number. You can see price sort of stalls around it a bit, and price is added again. I've already closed half, so 15th of December closed half. Where's that? So basically on the same. Price got up to this previous high here. I just thought that's a good time to lock in profit. And that was before US interest rate news and that too. So sort of locking in profit, and it dropped down the next day, but slowly recovered up again and back up to that same level. Can't lose on the Euro USD. Pound yen in a buy trade going nowhere fast from the 15th of December. You can see it there, just Pound USD in a buy trade also from about the 15th of December and going nowhere fast. Again, we're drawing these trend lines on here, just preparing for potential divergence forming. So just keep on adjusting these every day. Who knows where it's going to go. It really needs to push up a bit higher to convince me it's going to break this high and the trend's going to change to the upside. Big round numbers again, 1.3 and 1.25. Sorry, as I said, I'm rushing through this. I'm uncomfortable as I sit here, so it's not good. New Zealand CAD, we're in a buy trade from the 30th of October. Can't lose on that, stops there. So we trailed the stop up higher. You can see my trade management notes there. And we took a sell here on the 6th of December, and it's basically been sideways the whole time since. The stop hasn't moved, and we've got the other stop for the buy there, so we're sort of in no man's land. We're just above the entry. Potential buy setting up. This grey vertical line just means in this case, it's a green dot on the MACD platinum below the 0 level. So I'm in buy mode for the New Zealand CAD. New Zealand Swiss in a sell trade, and from the 13th of December, and it is going nowhere either. A lot of just sideways markets action at the moment. We've got this support, resistance level on price here, just extended a bit. MACD platinum's hogging the 0 level, so it just shows you it's a flat market. USD CAD, nothing happening. Gold in a buy trade, and it's going nowhere fast either. This level here's the 2000, and this one's the 1800. They're two big numbers. We did it. Just remember this spiky candle, and I wonder if price is going to try and fill all that up again. So at least we're slightly in profit, but going nowhere fast. What else I got here? US dollar, just the US dollar against these basket of 6 foreign currencies. It's heading down, but there is divergence forming there. You can see price heading down, but the MACD platinum is not following price. So last signal was this sell. US 500 is the US stock market. We're getting up close to the previous all-time high. Sort of had a shot at it, got close, then bearish candle and a couple of bullish candles. So it's going to try and push through this. Again, we've got divergence forming, and there's also a new sell signal there too. It's a sell signal. But, you know, who wants to bet against the US stock market? But you'd think price would have to come to the moving averages, or the moving averages will have to go up the price at some stage. Bitcoin, BTC, USD, last signal was this buy yesterday. We were just below the 45,000 level still. It hit up there, dropped back down to 40,000. Now having a bounce, trying to get back up there. New signals, the buy, as I said, MACD platinum below the zero level. It's just a chart like any other chart. Possibly, for my liking, again, the moving averages, the price didn't come back close enough to the moving averages. So, yeah. Like I said, this is a quick video, guys and girls. There's really not much to report other than just the euro pound being stopped out on that sell trade. Like I said, I'll tidy up that chart once the video's done. Enjoy your Christmas for those that celebrate it. Everyone else, just stay safe. You know, and you might not hear from me next week. It's all going to be pretty quiet. It's actually, I get a bit bored over the quiet Christmas, the week between Christmas and New Year, because the markets aren't really doing anything. It's a good time to do some back testing if you're not spending time with family or friends, and etc. So that's what I'll be doing. All right, enjoy everyone, and thanks for watching. And if I don't speak to you again next week, I'll speak to you next year. Cheers.